I am Rhea Dayaw. I am the Senior Sales Manager of Integral. Integral has been in the industry for more than 2 decades already. So we've been providing flow solutions to various industries such as power, oil and gas, mining, food and beverage. And we also partner with engineering, procurement, and construction companies in the Philippines. So we provide our flow solutions not only in terms of distribution, but we also have our own service capabilities for us to do preventive maintenance, flow control, integration, and also we provide digitalization solutions. When I came in, we have this logbook. We are using logbook, we are using Excel file for us to generate inquiries or to monitor all the inquiries that we've been receiving. But now our inquiries keep on increasing, keep on growing. So now we are receiving about 10,000 or more number of inquiries. So that is where we have really a challenge. And since we are growing, we are having a challenge in sharing our data with other colleagues. So when we first discovered Zoho connected us to Devtac. So from there, we have been collaborating with Devtac on how are we going to implement the Zoho One and what is our objective, what is our process. And also they help us in the implementation. They help us to develop our blueprint. They help us to go through what are the solutions that we can get from Zoho One.
I am Walter Rostan Garcia Jr., the CTO of Devtac. Devtac is a digital transformation agency who is providing end-to-end solution for small, medium, and large enterprise. We specialize in Zoho One application, and we have been a Zoho One premium partner for almost 10 years. We connected with Integral through a message that is sent to us via our LinkedIn page. So from there, we organized a couple of meetings. We started to understand their pain points, which includes they are very traditional business. So everything is done through paper and everything is done through manual process. So one person will fill out a form that will be given to another person, that will be given to another person, and then that's how the process that they run internally. Their pain points was it's too manual. They have small systems, small softwares that they run internally and on the cloud, but these are systems that doesn't talk to each other. So they're almost basically still manual. One of the key challenges for the executives is that they don't have real-time reporting. So since everything is manual, but you can just imagine it takes days to actually produce a report. And then by that time, that report is already outdated. There are no clear process. Everybody is doing their own thing because it's manual. So the key application that we had to roll out with Integral first was one, the collaboration tools. They needed a system for them to actually effectively do emails. So we did that. Then we also helped them with their sales and marketing, which is one of their major pain points. Their sales team were all paper-based, so they don't have a sales funnel. They don't know what each of the different salespeople are doing, sales reps are doing. They don't have a system in place to actually monitor the progress of each of these engagements that is going on. The approval process was paper-based, so there's a lot of delay. They don't have SLA. So confronted with all of this, we set up their CRM to be able to address this, which was pretty straightforward because Zoho CRM already has all those capabilities. So we activated Zoho Inventory to help them manage their inventory. As you would imagine, Integral, being a supplier, has a lot of physical items or inventory on hand. They also order a lot of components from different suppliers from different countries, so they had to monitor that too. So there's a lot of paperwork. And one of their key challenge was all of that paperwork, all of those files are in file cabinets. So you have to be physically be in the office to actually do anything. So we were able to address that by migrating them through an online platform like Zoho.
So we have been using Zoho for the past 5 years. And what we wanted to achieve or to maintain with the use of Zoho One is that we were able to improve a lot of our process, close those gaps, have an efficient communication within our company and to our customer as well. With the implementation of Zoho for the sales, we were able to generate 20% more of our sales. So from there, since I know how we started, and then I was able to maximize how are we going to use the Zoho solution, especially the CRM. So in the CRM, in just click, like using the analytics, I can use the opportunities, the report. I can monitor what are those needed opportunities that must be closed for that week. So I can have immediate information in my script. So with that solutions with Zoho, we were able to increase our monitoring, our opportunities, and then turn it orders. Yeah, with the help of projects in Zoho One, we were able to improve our efficiencies by closing those gaps between projects, sales, and to our customer side. With the help of Zoho Click and Zoho Meeting, we were able to communicate internal within Integral and our customers seamlessly.
So one of Integral's future plan is to migrate their website from their current web hosting to Zoho site, which would allow them easier access to their website and also be able to change the content quite easily without the need of a programmer. They're also looking at Zoho Commerce to help them basically set up an online store. This would be showcasing all the different components that they're selling and highlight some of the things that makes Integral, a great partner for factories, for power plants. They're also looking at activating like Sales IQ to help with the chat system, and also Zoho Desk for ticketing system as well. Devtac, we've empowered countless businesses, small, medium, large enterprise through effective digital transformation. Zoho One is Devtac's operating system for business.